Hello guys, welcome to How to Fix Tech. In this video guys, we are going to disable the notification from the Google Chrome. Here you will be getting the all the notifications here. So how to disable them? Simply open the Google Chrome. I have already opened that, and go to three dots here and then go to settings, and this setting is very easy. Go to privacy and security. Once you go to privacy and security, go to site setting, and you need to scroll down and look for notification expand all requests. Once you expand that, you need to select that option. Sites can ask to send the notification. So whenever you get the whenever you browse the new browser or the website, it will ask you to send the notification or not, so you can simply block or unblock that. Once you select that, you need to go to this option, allowed to send notification. Just go to three dots, means this list is allowed to send us the notifications here. So simply click here and then click on block, and it will automatically be added on the block list. Not allowed notification, you can see it has been added now. So these websites are not able to send you the notification here now, and you are good to go. So this is how guys you can fix the issue if notification is coming and popping on Windows. Hope this video useful for you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching How to Fix Tech.